The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
When me say, I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me say, outside me day, I listen dancehall skilla. When me say, outside me day, I listen to dancehall skilla. On the phone when I dancehall skilla to the world, I'm a lady and I endorse me now. I want to say, a certain boy pa me corner informer. A certain boy pa me corner informer. Cause him a fight in dancehall skilla and get murder. On the phone done what bad girl me say no. And a dancehall skilla to the world, I'm a lady and I endorse it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again, big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, me there again, you see? Alright, so, the person you see in the video that I just presented to you, she goes by the name of Lady Ann. You see? Yeah, Lady Ann. She is one of the female musicians who helped to build the foundation when it comes on to Jamaica music. You see me? Yeah, I want to say big up and respect to Lady Ann, you see it? Yeah, Lady Ann, big up and respect, you see it? I really and truly appreciate the shout out, trust me. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. The next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows when Beenie Man was at his mother's graveside on his mother's birthday. You see me? Alright, so viewers and subscribers, this video is being talked about on social media, alright? Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
To my love my mother, but we're going to bury her and let it go, you know, something like that. They have that close. You know, say, man, I love my mother different than I love what that man and then mother and thing, but yeah, my thing different. So you see people, today my mother's birthday, I just want to enjoy it with me. And it's not a mourning session, and it's not a session to cry, it's not a session to shed tears, no. It's a session to just hold our vibes, because my whole entire family is here. Not everybody, because Sharon's still there foreign, and Glamour's still there foreign. My son there foreign, and my daughter there foreign. My son's two sons there foreign, and my daughter there foreign. But everybody who there in Jamaica is here with us. You see? So we are full joy ourselves, and we are all our vibes. You see? Yeah, so everybody join me online. Do not join us here. Else me I got jail again. So yes, yeah, like I said. It's nice, it's all happening. That's it, and I'm about to find money.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Alright. So we're good? Let's do it. Yeah, pull it down.
I'm not going to do it, man. You're going to make it
So, Selecta, big play music, my dad.
Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, you see, when a man love his mother, trust me, in my point of view, there can be no greater love than that love. You see me? That's my point of view. You see me I say? Yeah, when you say a grown man love his mother to a certain height, trust me, I one of the biggest love that you can find. Remember me tell you. Alright, so let me know what to think about that video that I just presented to you. And viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present another video to you that's going to show a female who said some positive things. You see me? In my point of view, according to some things that this female said, you know, I think that this female is trying to send some positive words or positive messages out there to persons out there. You understand? Alright, the reason why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media, alright? And you can let me know what to think about this video, alright? Alright, so here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I can't believe him dead. I can't believe him dead. That is what a lot of us say. I just coming back from my birthday dinner and I hear that a young youth in the community dead. When by the time I look, I see him dead picture all over the place with him on the stretcher and the blood. But I want to ask you this. For those of you, and I'm not just speaking about this young man, I'm talking about for people in general. For those of you who are posting their dead pictures of when they're bloody and it's gruesome, how much time did you check on them when they were alive? Know that you're flinging up their picture on WhatsApp and Facebook and all over the place. When them did alive, did you post them? Did you post them? How much time in a month or even in a year did you pick up your phone and call them to check to see how they are? But know that they're no longer here, you want to scatter the roses. Let me tell you something. Sometimes we know that our neighbor are dead for hungry. Sometimes we know that our brother and our sister are dead for hungry. We wouldn't look at them. We wouldn't look at them. Sometimes you see some old people out here at Jamaica dead for hungry. And nobody don't look at them. But the minute them dead, them get the dearest package at the funeral home. See them set up, you get lobster, oxtail and curry goat, not to mention the funeral dinner. Don't bother to scatter the roses after the fact, and I'm speaking from experience. It does not make any sense. Where there is life, let the words of love be heard. Where there's breath in the body, let the words of love be heard. The other day I heard that a family member of mine died. Only for find out said nothing no go say him alive and kicking. And within seconds, the amount of video where people post about, so you know me lose a friend. How much time did you check on the individual? How much time did you ask them if they were okay? How much time did you say, listen, I'm just sending some positive vibrations your way? How much times did you do that? But after the fact, you want the dearest this and the biggest that to prove your love. The love that they can no longer feel. Foolishness. Foolishness. Some are with family members, some are with friends, some are with neighbor. A box food out of Agmouth. A box food out of Agmouth just to have something to eat, but we don't care. Make them dead now. And we are the first one by the rum for the dead yard. For people to see. That's why I'm not live for impress people, and that's why I'm living and I'm just doing me. And when I'm going through my trials and my tribulations, I know who's there. I know who have my back. Like my mom have my back. Me know who love me and have my back. Don't scatter the roses after the fact. Reach out today. Let them know that they are loved today. Bury the hatchet today. And let me tell you something, speaking from experience again. Death hits differently. No matter how you feel like you hate someone or dislike someone, the minute you find out that there is no longer breath in the body, there comes a different feeling. Everything changes. Your thought process changes. Everything you thought you knew, you now realize you knew nothing at all. Be very careful. Be very careful. Don't scatter the roses after the fact. I say this all the time and I mean it. Live with love. I'm not perfect. But I say to somebody, live with love and ensure that your heart clean. Don't wait until after the fact.
And our real viewers and subscribers, this lady is speaking real truth. You understand? Yes, some of the times we see some videos put on social media where persons got hurt or someone lose their life, you see me? And you know, even though I am the kind of person who do blogging, or some person might call it vlogging, you see what I'm saying to you? There are some videos I can't really post. It's not me. I just can't do it. You understand? You see me, like some of these videos to me show some things that make me have to consider and say, yo, how the family members are gonna feel about the person who had died or support. Me can't do it. You see me, I say? So something like that might make me be one of the vloggers where a lot of persons are gonna say, sure, dancehall skill and show certain things, but at the same time, it's the principle me deal with. You see me, I say? Yeah, I mean, there are some things, yeah, me can't just show it because guess what, man, I like nobody lose them life or certain things, but you know, there are some things I think there are certain boundaries that I shouldn't cross. You see? Alright, anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. I agree with some of the things that this female said. Viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what to think about some of the things that this lady said. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.